AI just had one of its biggest weeks ever, and most people completely missed it. In the next 2.5 minutes, I will catch you up on 5 stories. These stories are already changing how the world works. Let's go. Story 1. OpenAI just broke up with Microsoft after 7 years of being exclusive partners. OpenAI has ended its exclusivity deal with Microsoft. OpenAI's most powerful model, GPT 5.5, is now available on Amazon and Google Cloud too. Why does this matter to you? Competition between these giants means AI tools will get cheaper and better, faster than ever before. Story 2. Google just launched Gemini 3.1 Ultra. It is the biggest AI model release of 2026 so far. It can read text, images, audio and video all at the same time. It has a 2 million token context window, that is roughly 1,500 books worth of information, all processed in a single conversation. It also writes and runs its own code mid-conversation. This is no longer just a chatbot, this is a thinking machine. Story 3. AI agents are being hacked, and you need to know this. Google researchers discovered this week that attackers are hiding invisible instructions inside normal web pages. When an AI agent reads those pages, it follows those hidden instructions without you knowing. Imagine your AI assistant secretly sending your private data to a stranger while you think it is helping you. This is already happening, and almost no one is talking about it. Story 4. Apple just reported its biggest quarter ever, $111 billion in revenue, up 17% in 1 year. But here is the buried headline: Apple's services business, which includes AI features, hit a record $31 billion alone. Apple is quietly becoming one of the most powerful AI companies in the world, and they have not even launched their biggest AI product yet. Story 5. $10 billion just poured into AI infrastructure in one day. Private equity firm KK just raised over $10 billion to build AI data centers and power plants. NVIDIA secured millions in incentives from the state of Texas to build a new AI supercomputing hub. The message is clear: the world is betting everything on AI, and it is just getting started. That is your AI week in under 3 minutes. OpenAI split from Microsoft. Google launched its most powerful model yet. AI agents are being silently hacked. Apple is quietly winning the AI race, and $10 billion just moved into AI infrastructure. The world is changing faster than ever. Subscribe to Venks Daily Reset so you never miss a week. Every weekend, the biggest AI stories explained simply, no jargon, no fluff, just your weekly reset.